Hello everyone, this is Gleb Bakhmutov, and today I want to show a pretty subtle Cypress bug that might creep into your test if you use aliases, and how to solve the same situation without any bugs for good. So imagine I have some text on the page, it shows original text initially, and if I click on this button, then at some point the text changes. Now, I don't know the text before and text after. All I want to do is to confirm that when I click on this button, the text changes. Okay, so let's say we have our browser on the left. This is the original text. Let's get the button and we'll click on it. So I'll say change, click, and then we have the text again. What you might do is you get this element, you invoke the jQuery method text, and you might save it as an alias, original text right here. And then you might say, fine, um, let's get this value of an alias, original text. So you get a text and you say that button should not have text that was in original alias. And notice it passes, right? It keeps retrying and retrying, and when the text changes, then it immediately says should not be original text. One thing we might do right here, we might insert an assertion. So I'll say should be a string. And what this does, it shows the text from the alias right away. But let's not do it just yet. Now this works, but there is a subtle semantic gotcha in this example. So right now we change the text after 1 second. Imagine we change the text immediately. Does this still work? Now notice it keeps checking the output and it shows expected the div with ID output not to have text changed. So where is the original text? The thing is that when we click the button, the text changes synchronously, immediately. So when we call get alias original text, what it does under the hood, it goes and reevaluates this chain of queries to get the original text again. And by that time, the text has changed already to the changed value. So we never see the original text. In order for us to use just the value of text that we evaluate just once, we have to set the type of this alias to static. And now notice right here, when we get the original text, its value is the original text string. Now, I would not even do this unless I had good reasons to create an alias. I might just say, okay, you need the original text, just grab it from the button, pass it to the then callback, perform the action of clicking, and then confirm that the output changes. Now this solution works in any case. It could be synchronous, asynchronous modification, doesn't matter because we got the value of a text just once. It's there, it's available. We can print it by saying should be a string, so we can see it right away before we click, and then it's available and we can verify that the text changes.